Hello, and welcome to the unboxing of Xiaomi Aqara Smart Vibration Shock Sensor. This sensor can be bought on AliExpress for around $12. I ordered two pieces. And you can use those to monitor three things. They should be able to tell you if something moves, if there is a vibration, or if there is a fall from certain height, I believe like from 5 centimeters. So you can use those to, for instance, monitor your windows or put one on your door and see if somebody is trying to break your door. Or you could even put one on the your washing machine to see if your washing machine is vibrating. That means that it's working. I didn't invent any other usage for these. Who knows? So let's see what's in the box. As you can see, there is a sensor itself. It looks as all Aqara sensors. From the back side, you have self-adhesive side which you can put on glue onto the wall or somewhere or in the drawer. Looks exactly like temperature sensor. And you have another one of these in case you want to move it, so you can glue it onto a different thing. There's probably nothing inside this box here, but let's just open it in case. No, empty. Okay, and there's the instruction manual. Vibration sensor. So the new thing is that all new Aqara devices have bigger instruction manual. As you can see, there are instructions in English. It is operated by one CR2032 battery, which can last for a long time. As I can see from other sensors, they last at least a year or two. Okay, so this here is a button which is used to connect it to your Mi Home app. And let's see how that goes. Okay, so let's launch Mi Home app. And we need to add the sensor to the Mi Home. So first of all, we have to select the gateway to which we add it. As I have two gateways, we'll probably use the closer one. Let's just find this baby. A bulb ceiling hub in the living room. So we'll go to the devices and add child device. So let's try to add this one from the list of devices. Here it is, Aqara vibration sensor. So the instructions are in Chinese. It speaks only in Chinese. So here we have to press this and hold it. You see it lights up for around 5 seconds. Okay. It says added successfully, and we'll just select a room. We'll put it in the living room next. So you can rename it to something more to your liking. Vibration sensor living 1. Okay. And here it is. So when we open the sensor itself, we have automation rules here. And we have a log here. So we can make different automation rules, like when the sensor is moved, trigger the alarm, or turn on the light, or send me a notification, etc., etc. But let's see if there are some settings here. In most of these devices, you have to select time zone so the timing is right. So we'll just set the time zone, Belgrade GMT +1. And let's see the log. Okay, so if we move it like this, object drops. And here is object is touched. And let's see the vibration. Tilt detected. Object drops. I'm curious how it reacts to vibration. Let's just try moving the whole table. So there you have it. I just have to invent some automation rules. What will happen when this object is moved or dropped or whatever. I think I'll put it on my window. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.